This week in Aerial Lift News, we'll talk about the Department of Labor versus Goodman Manufacturing, the lowdown on the latest whistleblower trial. Here are some facts about the case. An employee informed OSHA that misreporting of injuries was going on at the Houston-based Goodman Manufacturing plant. The employee was subsequently terminated, and thereafter the Department of Labor sued Goodman Manufacturing. If you run an aerial lift operations company or a company that uses aerial lifts, you may know that loyalty will always be an issue. In many cases, employers demand loyalty because they feel they're paying the employees, so therefore there should be no doubt as to the employer always being right all the time. In reality, the employee is the one who is obligated to report improper procedure around aerial lifts that could result in danger or death. And this is true of companies that don't use aerial lifts also. As you might imagine, this is not the only whistleblower case of its kind. Many aerial lift operations employees fear blowing the whistle because they don't want to lose their jobs, they don't want to lose a supervisory position if they have one, and they also receive pressure from coworkers to be loyal because the coworkers are afraid they'll be fired in complicity. You should always make sure that your employees understand OSHA training guidelines. Keep clean records. Encourage an environment of safety for employees who are using aerial lifts or who need aerial lift certification. And you should always explore aerial lift training or aerial lift refresher training. And you can do that on websites online that offer aerial lift refresher courses without the employee ever even having to leave his or her home, on sites such as certifyme.net.